Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn the basics of CRM. I know that in the previous sessions also we had some discussion on Salesforce and CRM. So my intention is before we start the actual course, before we start exploring the Salesforce CRM, I want my students to have some basic understanding of what do you mean by CRM and what is Salesforce and what is cloud computing, because Salesforce is a cloud based application. So here today we are going to learn about the basics and try to understand what's the difference between a normal application and cloud application, and what is Salesforce, how it will help my business to get more benefit or more profits or more revenue. Okay, so coming to the point, each organization we use, they say they use set of applications to automate their business. Like whenever any person want to automate their business, they'll be using software, right, which will be developed by using different programming languages or applications. So earlier when we talk about software, we'll be talking about on-premise applications only. On-premise in the sense an application or a software, if you want to use on your machine or laptop or a PC, you have to download that, and that should be physically available on your machine. You have to download and install on your machine, which will occupy obviously 200 500 MB of storage. But after the invention or after the introduction of this cloud applications, we have started categorizing the applications into two types. One is on-premise, where pre-installation of software is required, where the software needs to be there physically available on your machine installed. And second one is on-demand, means there is no need of pre-installation. If you have a good internet connection, by using the browser, you can go to the particular application, access it online. Got it? So that's why people are moving and started using these cloud applications. In the coming sessions, we are going to see what are the advantages. So here, before starting to understand Salesforce, we need to understand what is cloud computing, because Salesforce is a cloud-based relationship management software. So what is cloud computing? It is a concept to access the services over the internet by using any device. It can be your personal computer, laptop, or your mobile. Any device you can use and access the services online. And what are the services provided on the cloud? It can be servers or storage, databases, networking. So we're coming to database. When you say about database in the colleges, people used to, they used to install the Oracle software, Oracle database, and all those things. So, but here database is also available online on the cloud. So networking, everything. So, and the companies offering these services are called as cloud providers. Okay. So cloud computing means whatever the services that you want to use, they no need to be available physically on your machine, no need to install. You can use them you can access them through the internet. Okay. And what are the benefits of cloud computing? You can see here, first one is cost. So earlier, when you want to have any software, you have to purchase that software. You have to purchase that software or hardware. So here in the cloud computing, we're eliminating that requirement. Okay, and very minimal cost, you can get that software online. And coming to speed, so most cloud computing services are provided self-service and on-demand, and very high powerful data centers are available, which are providing performance wise and speed wise very good applications, very reliable applications. It means you no need to worry about your data loss. Data backup is also available. Okay, so coming to the cost, speed, performance, reliability, these are the few advantages of using cloud computing. And you know that these services are divided into three categories: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Software as a service, which in short is called as SaaS. When the customers are accessing the ready-made applications on rental basis, it is called as software as a service, right? A good example I'll try to explain to you. For example, if you want to create a Java application on your computer, or if you want to create a project by using Java, what you have to do? You have to install Java on your machine, JDK on your machine, and then only you can start JDK and JRE should be the Java runtime environment should be there. Then you can prepare or create the application, right? So, but here you can create an application online by using Salesforce. Salesforce is a software which will allow you to create any kind of software or application on the internet. And to make you understand, for a few examples of software as a service are Google Workspace, Dropbox, obviously I told Salesforce, Microsoft 365, and mostly you people are using Google Docs, Google Documents. No need to install the software on your machine. You can directly use it on the internet. So this is one example of software as a service. Second category, platform as a service, where development platform is provided to you, which you can use to develop any kind of application. So these are the services like Amazon Web Services, Windows, Azure, and Google, and Force.com is a development platform on which we can develop Salesforce applications. And third one is infrastructure as a service. So what do you mean by infrastructure as a service? All the resources, it can be storage or network, operating system, all those are provided online on the cloud. Got it? So these are the different classifications of cloud services with the example. Okay. And coming to the vendors, the people who are providing these kind of services, they are called as vendors or providers. So who are the vendors in the market? Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, Google, and so on. So these companies or organizations are providing these cloud services. Okay. And coming to our topic, CRM basics. So what do you mean by CRM? You can see the abbreviation there, customer relationship management. So it's an application which allows you to manage all your customers and partners, all the information in one place. So with the help of this CRM, you can maintain the complete picture of your customer, 360-degree view of your customer. Okay. So we'll see, try to understand in detail about this. For example, you can think of a Salesforce CRM as a super organized notebook where a business keep track of everything about the customers, not just his name and email, right? So that's the basic information. Other than that, so much of data is stored about the customer in the CRM. It can be their names and contact details, and what they like, what are their preferences, what are their needs, and what they have done in the past purchases, interactions, and how we can help them based on the feedback. Everything, all the information about the customer is maintained by using Salesforce CRM. So by using which we can provide better services to our customer. Okay. So what are the benefits of using CRM application? Improved customer relations. If you have all the information about the customer, his past purchases, his likes and dislikes, you can provide better services. You will have a good relation with him. In this way, you can sell your products or services, using which in turn you will get a revenue or profit. Better internal communication means from the business to the customer. At the same time, within the organization, all the employees will have a better internal communication. Once we start using Salesforce, I'll show you how the communication is provided. Okay. And improve the customer service. It means once your product is sold, the customer has purchased your product, then after that also, if any kind of issues or problems faced by the customer, by using CRM, you can provide better customer service. And automation of everyday tasks. Automation in the sense, I'll give you one example. You can send an email to a customer by reminding him about the task he can do. or by reminding him about the discussion, or on his birthday you can greet him. So all this information, all this data is automated in Salesforce. No need of manual intervention. And so many other things are there which we are going to explore once we start learning Salesforce. And finally, improved analytical data and reporting. So this is the information required by the managers or high level people, which they want to see how their products are sold in the market, what is the status of the product selling in the market. By using some graphs and reporting, they can easily understand. So all this is provided within a single CRM. Okay. And for example, to make you understand a small example, imagine that you are running a bakery and you are using CRM for that, because CRM is used wherever you have any product or service that you want to provide to the customers in the market. So here your products are obviously some cakes or chocolates, everything. Now you have started using the CRM. So CRM will be storing all the information about the customer in their database. Okay. So now for example, a CRM system could remind you that a customer loves chocolate cake and has a birthday coming up. How the CRM identified? Because already the customer has visited your bakery multiple times, and most of the times he purchased only chocolate cakes, and his information, his date of birth, everything is stored. So the CRM will remind you that he loves chocolate cakes and a birthday coming up, and then you can send a discount coupon or a personalized message to make them feel special. Okay. So CRM is about using technology to make customers feel valued and keeping them happy. So which is great for both the customers and the business. So in this way, this is a short introduction of what is cloud computing, how the Salesforce is used, and finally, okay, you may be saying that, okay, that is fine, sir. How we are going to use the Salesforce? What are the career choices? Or if you learn Salesforce, what are the career options we have? Okay, I know that. So if you learn Salesforce, you can start your career as a Salesforce admin or Salesforce app builder. And from there, you can grow, or you can enhance your skills, learn more, a number of courses related to Salesforce. You can become a developer, and from there you can become a technical architect, and so many other career choices are there. And coming to the salaries in the market, for a fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience, 5 to 10 LPA, 5 to 10 lakhs per annum, the companies are offering. And this is also I'm telling based on the data I have, and maybe more. It depends on the your skills, and it depends on the company also. Okay. So thank you very much. And if you have whatever the queries, once after listening to the class, whatever the queries or questions you have, so you are very much welcome. You please comment those queries. You please post the queries in the comment section, and please subscribe, like, and share this video so that it reaches to more number of people, and so that they can get benefited from this. Thank you very much.